Just like this.
Okay.
Baba.
Okay.
Baba kaba. Kasi meron
Question mark.
Baba kaba.
Ano sagot? Next.
Question mark. Ito yung oo. Oo. Baba ka. Oops. Oo. Baba ako.
Very good.
Very good. Next.
Next is this. Baba kaba. Baba kaba. Ito din. Oo. Baba ako.
Very good.
Very good.
Bawi ka, ha? Ito nga po. Ayun o. Daddy, dito muna.
Wala po eh.
Daddy, dito muna, oh. Dito lang. Baba, kaba. Kasi meron question mark. Ito nga po.
Napasahin ko?
Yes. Dapat lang, oh.
Baba, kaba.
Good reading.
O,
Me. Oo. Oo. Baba, ka. Oo. Baba, ako.
Very good. Okay, spell ant.
Okay. Ant.
Yes.
I spell hot. Ant.
Mm.
Dito yung spell ant, ha?
Opo.
A-N-T.
Spell bug.
Bug. Okay. It is spelling bug. Bug. B-U-G.
Spell cup.
Okay. C-U-P.
Spell dog.
Bilis ako.
Opo.
D-O-G.
Spell ear.
Yeah, okay. E-A-R.
Very good. Spell fly.
Fly, okay. F-L-Y.
Very good. Bilis ah. Spell goat.
Goat, okay. I can spell goat,
Mm.
Mommy.
Go.
G-O-A-T.
Very good. Spell hat.
Hat, okay. H-A-T.
Bilis ah. Spell ice.
Ice, okay. I-C-E.
Very good. Spell jar.
Jar, okay. J-A-Y.
J-A.
J-A-R.
Yun.
J-A-Y.
Ang war.
J-A-R.
Spell key.
Key, okay. I spell key, huh? I spell key. Really spell key. K-E-Y. Bilis.
Mm.
K-E-Y.
Very good. Spell apple.
Apple. Okay. I spell apple.
Mm.
Spell ko yung apple, huh? Just like this. Ulit eh.
Opo.
Kasi I will spell apple again.
Mm. Sige po, spell apple.
A-P-P. baby.
Hmm?
L-E.
Very good. Banana.
Okay. Ito yung spelling banana, ha?
Hmm.
B,
Hmm?
B, A, N, A, N, A, banana.
Very good. Spell B.
B,
Hmm.
ano ba spell B? Three letters?
Yes, yes.
B,
Hmm?
E, E.
Very good. Yay! High five. Very good.